Y'all probably say, where exactly are you going with this? I see you really trying to take it there. Old school flows chew you out, ain't fair. Jordan pants don't...
Yo, what up, YouTube? It's your boy Zah. Been trying back at you anyway, man. Sorry I haven't been dropping like I should drop. I got a freaking toothache. I got to get, probably like some surgery on the teeth. But anyways, man, people been asking for this, so I'm going to go ahead and drop it. As you can see, it's 2 years old. Youth D, song called Berry. It is French. So hope you like it. I will be dropping a couple more with this. But I think... the way they speak on it, this song could probably carry itself. Like I said, if you ain't subscribed to the channel, understand, man, I'm trying to get to at least 3K this year. I'm almost at 2K. I'm trying to get to at least 3K before the end of this year. And I would really, really, really appreciate it if you rock with me and you from France to run these numbers up, you know what I mean, and give me even more suggestions, whether old or new, you know what I mean. But without further ado, let's just get into it. Oh yeah. I do got one for the Dutch coming out. I do got one from Auckland coming out. And so I'm getting to it. It's just, like I said, this tooth been killing me. So.
Toujours plus de berry sur ma tête. La concu me fait rire sans arrêt. Elle écrit mon prénom sur la caisse.
Hold on, I'm gonna have to stop that right there because the boy just got on and start running. If I don't jump around as much, understand it's not because I'm not feeling the song. It's just because I don't want this tooth to come back alive because it's kept me up for days. But we're gonna go ahead and, rewind that back a little bit because he just jumped on the track and started running. All right, about right there.
Toujours plus de berry sur ma tête. La concu me fait rire sans arrêt. Elle écrit mon prénom sur la caisse. Et dit le démon dans la pièce. Asia, tu veux démon dans le mérissa. Puis le pilon dans la maison. J'taffe, tant depuis je peux faire le constat. Y'a que sur Insta que t'es costaud. Sur la brodère dans le 4x4. Bouge ton beau ça c'est macabre. Dans mon équipe on fume pas de com. Négro c'est volontaire si c'est macabre. On dit nous on est 4 gars. Les contents t'as même pas passé 4 gars. Brigade forte c'est les Dalton. Y'a pas Donatello sans son talca. On va gagner comme à chaque fois. Hey, tu fais ce qu'on faisait à 15 mois où aga ça passe plus qu'un fou. La concurrence elle accuse le coup. Chez mon concert et j'encaisse le flou.
I hate to stop it, man, because this shit is going in. But like I said, even though I don't understand what he's saying, I do feel like I do need to comment on certain things. And I can't really say nothing outside of the fact that dude is just going in. It's funny, like, people like to say that you can't really get into certain music because the sound of it. And understand, there is some music I just can't get into because there's no beat to carry it. It's not so much whether they singing or rapping. It's just like I can't get into it because the beat doesn't allow me to vibe with it. But like damn near every French song that I've put out, that beat, even if you can't understand what they're saying, they'll carry it and then you'll start kind of breaking down where the cadence changes. So you figure, okay, this is probably the hook right here. And real shit is just fun trying to balance it out. Like, you know what I mean? And so far, France been throwing me bars. Like, they'll throw me, like, the uppy stuff. You know what I mean? They'll throw me the poppy. They'll throw me that wavy, that grimy shit, that drill shit. So it's like trying to, go back and forth and just really try to get into it. It's easy. You know what I mean? It's easy. Same with the Dutch. Same with my boys from Auckland, my boys from Australia. It's easy to get into it when you get the vibe with the music. You know what I mean?
J'ai ça en rapide que c'est des sous-tours. Que du business on vit mieux sans les disques. Shit, café, club, client fait des appels d'offres. Ya, t'inquiète pas on va pas rater coche. Pendant la trappe tu bosses. Lean, shit, café, club, client fait des appels d'offres. Ya, t'inquiète pas on va pas rater coche. Pendant la trappe tu bosses. Slay mon gars. Hey, je suis un répé, tu connais l'adresse. Je te t'as repris de la cesse. L'objectif c'était quitter la cesse. J'ai poussé moi de chance si c'est la merde. Non, aucun souci, je te la mets. Ouh, il faut comme nous, mais après, j'ouvre dans le Uber, je suis calmé. Cool, un par un, je vais les canner. Tous, dopés, dope, dans le toupie. J'opère gros, comme une toupie. Elle n'est court, 2-3 coups de fil et c'est bon.
A lot of little play in this cadence right there, you know what I mean? That's the only downside about not understanding it, because you feel it, you feel when the cadence changes, you see right there how he was just playing with that up and down motion. So it's like, if you could only understand it, you probably vibe even harder, because it's probably fire for the people that's from France that know, you know what I mean? Tell your boy if he was snapping on this one.
Dans ta city, c'est que je vais faire les sous. Je plus l'argent tous les jours. Silence pour la guérison. Hey, je suis plus fort qu'avant. Say. Nouveau virement, c'est la paye. Tu veux faire pareil? Say. T'as aucun talent, t'es pèse. Ils font les gentils pour une passe. Je suis avec mon équipe, c'est la base. Ça nous connaît quand il faut des places. Ceux qui se mettent sur la route, on les pousse bien loin. Je veux du bullshit et du bon linguin. Ici, ça va pour nous, tout va bien. On fait du bif sur ce ville matin. J'ai écrit, je pose dès que ça vient. Pas dispo pour toi, non. J'évite de plaire à trop de bitch, donc je fais semblant. Lean, shit, café, club, client fait des appels d'offres. T'inquiète pas, on va pas rater de gauche. Pendant la trappe, tu bosses. Lean, shit, café, club, client fait des appels d'offres. T'inquiète pas, on va pas rater de gauche. Pendant la trappe, tu bosses. Lean, shit, café, club, client fait des appels d'offres. T'inquiète pas, on va pas rater de gauche. Pendant la trappe, tu bosses. Lean, shit, café, club, client fait des appels d'offres. T'inquiète pas, on va pas rater de gauche. Pendant la trappe, tu bosses.
And stop it there. As you can see, all this social medias, bam, go ahead and follow him. Hey, like I said, this may be 2 years old, but this shit was hot. You know what I mean? You know, like your boy like that grimy shit. I love drill. I love anything that's gonna hype me up. I love melodic shit. There's sometimes I'm in the mood for that wavy, more just like, ooh, you know, just kicking back, listening to let the beat take you. Yeah, whether you can understand or not, it's like P&L. If you notice, mostly P&L songs, it just takes you. Like, every once in a while you'll catch something in English, but for the most part, it just takes you the beat, the way the cadence, basically the way they rap, for the people who understand that. It just, you know what I mean? You try to picture their story and grasp as much as you can just from what they're saying, you know what I mean? Or it's little tidbits of something that might slip in, or the you know what I mean? What's going on in the film. Because they do that. Boba, I noticed, does that. I noticed there's a lot of little art incorporation in French music. So, on that note, I'm going to go ahead to the next one. Hope you enjoy. I'll be right back. Alright, I'm back. Anyway, somebody suggested this. I will put your name out there. I don't know if you want me to put your name out there, but if you do, just go ahead next time you do suggestion. Let me know, hey, if you can give me a shout out. But anyway, this is Gims C'est in Est du Rap art feature Nero. Look it. When they're this popular, usually this video gets blocked. It'll get blocked in every country but the US. So basically all the audience that I'm really trying to reach, they block. The US, they're gonna see it anyway. You know what I mean? But it blocks from the country that I'm really trying to grasp the most people out of when I'm watching the video, which is France. And then to show other people that, because there's a lot of people around the world that know French, you know what I mean? They were just smarter than me and took it up, you know what I mean? And there's people out here that study French, as in, you know what I mean? But anyways, this is the first time I've ever heard this dude. I've heard of Nero, but I've never listened to his music. So, yeah, we're going to see what they do. You know what I mean? Let's get to it.
Alors,
hopefully it don't get blocked.
J'ai pris des coups mais je les sens plus sale fils de. Tu remontes en l'air, tu redescends plus tard plus de.
Okay, he started off real smooth, but he's, you know, he talking that talk, you know.
J'ai pris des coups mais je les sens plus sale fils de. Tu remontes en l'air, tu redescends plus. On veut voir les ennemis, les déjà gaspillés. La bonté, loyauté, j'ai déjà gaspillé. Quand on est pauvre endetté, qu'on a essayé. Être honnête, c'est un luxe qu'on peut pas se payer. Être honnête, c'est un luxe qu'on peut pas se payer. Gros, je peux même pas les aimer en sécurité. On veut prendre de l'oseille, on veut pas briller. Donc j'ai monté ma carrière dans l'obscurité. Très tôt, j'étais cheaté dans la vitesse, côté dans la tête.
Okay, talk to him. Like I said, man, you don't have to understand to know he talking to him. You know what I mean? Talk that shit. Let's go.
Tout gardé, mes bateaux sur le matos, toutes sortes de métaux. Dans le roto, giro, dans le rétro, j'ai grandi tôt, fiston, j'ai pas d'idole, bandito, poteau. On les connaît bien, tous ces mythos, y'en a tous les 200 mètres dans mon ghetto. c'est le minimum et dans la minute on a mis les mains dans la khara. Willy, te monte à la tonne, mais tes couilles diminuent vite. Quand y'a de la je suis avec Nino B dans le CR4 noir. Je compte ma solière pour toi, j'ai pas les mains à moi. Ta richesse, ma snobé, gros, voulez pas de moi. Avant la fin du mois, vas-y, fin-moi. Ne m'y tenez pas, vous étonnez pas, solo dans la part. J'ai fait mon appart, j'ai des faux départs. Entre nous et eux, y'aura pas de débat, y'aura que des hauts.
I'm gonna stop it right there, even though I don't want to interrupt his bars, but it's just, did the man go up like, I won't say octaves, but it's his caliber, not even his caliber, that's the wrong word to choose, but his pace, his cadence shot up so fast, it just like, and then it's like that, for the people that know about Eminem, what you should know about Eminem, but it's just that, you know what I mean, Twister, all them, there's a few people that rap like that, but yeah, let's go.
Tu parles, on les connaît pas.
He's the first one I've seen out of France that does that.
Cellule, comme un gogol, j'parlais seul tout, mais oui. Les jaloux, les suceurs de queue, j'en ai fini avec eux tous, N.I.R. Yes baby.
Yes, baby.
Ça marche. T'as pisté, j'ai pris des coups mais je les sens plus, sale fils de. Tu remontes en l'air, tu redescends plus, t'as pisté. J'ai pris des coups mais je les sens plus, sale fils de.
I just want to stop it there real quick and say, beard gang. That beard, man, the power in the beard. It's like Samson in his hair, but it's in the beard.
Rafraîchis ma mémoire, quelque chose m'échappe, tu t'en sors plutôt bien, ouais t'as trop de chatte, je te fais pendant tes petits regards, chapichap quand je suis dans le terrain fourré comme un pack, des mecs en fourraille et comme dans le tac au tac, ouais pose-moi tes questions, je réponds du tac au tac, rentrer dans l'histoire, tu n'en as pas l'étoffe, et je suis rentré dans la banque sans faire toc.
This man talking to demons?
Avec une chance plus fine qu'une Philippine. Depuis dans les magazines, ça veut zoomer dans ma vie, ouais du genre y'a un truc qui me turlupine. Putain de zig plus génétique, qui laisse des marques indélébiles. Je pourrais t'ôter la vie, paraît-il, je suis une star à Tel Aviv. Et moi je suis partout, dans les wagons du tram, dans les boîtes locaux, sous ta ouvert des crânes. J'ai guetté l'inspi dans les couloirs du trône, mais j'ai pris des selfies dans les vapeurs de crack. Ça s'attarde, ça s'étale, donc personne sépare. Le mec a fait monter la meuf dans cet appart en 10 ans, j'avais pas que c'était ta femme. Évidemment dans la seconde, une patate, plus la tape, ça se tape comme Statham. Pas de constat, dans les yeux y'a Satan, puis ça lève la bûche comme Zlatan. Si vous saviez comme je vois la vie, moi, les mauvaises herbes, j'élimine. C'est plus sur des œufs que je marche, avec les risques que je prends, je marche sur la dynamite. Je suis sûr de moi comme Zinedine. Je me tue à sortir que des inédits. Autour de moi que des sensus, que des sorsus, que des mots que je censure. Je vais mourir comme une Newgate, mon heure approche, donc tac, je prends la posture. J'ai fait tout ça en mode Tipeee, j'avais qu'une putain de pierre dans la chaussure. Ouais, je parle pas, on connaît mon visu. Je l'ai trop vu, mes lunettes fissures. Le paradis des mains est dans la poche du vizir.
I had to stop it there. That boy was running on that track. That's what I'm. Oh my god, dude! Like, that's the only downside. It's like you want to know exactly what they're saying because you know he got to be coming with it, man. He just fucking both of them just got on and just was running that shit, man. Please don't block this video. You know what I mean? Please don't block this video.
Tombé sur une belle fissure, je t'ai vu faire l'amour pour des écus, je t'ai vu le faire pour payer les études. Tourne comme un sécu, le temps est plus cher que la voiture. Ourti le sais-tu, l'ennemi est vaincu, sans gorgie, sans vie dans la peinture. Petite, moyenne, grosse pointure, noir écarlate et la ceinture. Tu ressentiras ce que je ressens sans tube, carrière ambiguë sans tube. J'ai trop barodé sans thune, le showbiz c'est je t'entube. Le soleil va se chez nous, en meurt un petit peu chaque jour. Ils font te remuer tout comme si j'étais tout pas que chaque jour. Une table pour te mettre à jour, oh j'ai trop d'égo j'avoue. Et rafale dans ta joue, je suis le frère de Rakutaku Daju.
That's what I'm talking about, man. Like, it's just that it's fire. You know what I mean? Like, that shit. Yeah. I'm glad they gave me the suggestion. I'm glad for all my suggestions, but yeah. Anyways, I'm your boy Zabin Trife. I'm gonna try to drop another one right after this to add to it, but I might just leave it with these two songs just due to the fact that they're both fire. And that's all I'm going to say on that. So yeah, I will be covering another one. Somebody gave me a few more French ones to cover. I do got to do my Dutch. You know what I mean? But hopefully you guys like this song, and hopefully this song don't get blocked. If it do, I will try to replace it with another one. But I'm really hoping that they don't block this song. Anyways, it's your boy Zabin Trife. Shout out to all my homies from Solon Park. Locust Gang. And on that note, I'm out.
Y'all probably say, where exactly are you going with this? I see you really trying to take it there. Old school flows chew you out, ain't fair. Jordan Pants.